Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. I wanted to give a quick update on my Strong. I got a couple comments of people wanting to see an update on Strong, where the price has been, what have I been doing with my initial rewards, and just a quick update on everything. I actually wanted to make a full a full video on this for Strong and for their nodes. I didn't have time this weekend, but I actually, just a quick update, I actually did create my fourth node yesterday. I did accumulate about 10.6 strong from the month of December 21st to January 21st, which is about 3 days ago. And then I kind of let it sit for about 3 days or so because I didn't have time to create my fourth node. But I actually do have my fourth node officially now. I created it yesterday afternoon. I am happy because it's created. I am not happy about about the gas fees that I had to pay. So I'll go through that right now. But cashing out, I think the profit was something like 4,000, almost $5,000, I think, for the reward. So that's pretty fantastic. Obviously, that means that in if I did take profit, I would more than likely make my money back in around 3 months or so. But the price of Strong has fallen. I think the last time that we actually, really spoke about this, the price has fallen pretty significantly, right? I mean, obviously, it was doing extremely well when Bitcoin started the initial drop off and just kind of holding up really well. It was really doing the opposite, right? It was actually going in an upward direction, and then recently, it actually did end up tanking about at most 47%. Right now we are sitting at a 38% loss from peak highs that it created back in January 15th. So not really that long ago, right? The good thing is we are getting a perfect entry on the bull side. So technically, stochastic on the lows, reverse MACD right now is over the zero line and it's creating that red bubble. So we are getting an entry for a perfect buy-in, but this is not going to be an official buy signal until 11 hours from now, right? So once a daily closes bullish, then I think that we have a really strong chance of rallying all over again, right? I think that we can definitely go all over again to here, back up to like maybe I wouldn't really say that we're going back up to like 780, like where we were before, like around 740-ish. I think more than likely we're going to see another trend touch somewhere around here. So I'd say it probably goes back to like the $600 mark, probably wicks up there, maybe comes back down because it's probably going to stay in this little formation right here, this little triangle, maybe trading sideways until a breakout to either side. I do like the long tail wicks right here, so it doesn't mean that it can have. This usually means that there's a reversal, right? So when you have these long tail wicks or these long tail candles, it usually means that the price is going to start pushing to the upside, and that's just extra confirmation with my indicators, right? We have that perfect buy-in entry signal, and then we have the stochastic at lows. But again, I cashed out at around 458 where it is now, so that times 10.6 will take it somewhere to like $4,800. So my profit on rewards for Strong for the official first month was around $4,800, which I'm extremely happy about, right? Obviously, I didn't take any profit. I used all of my 10 strong nodes to create that fourth node, right? And I'm going to keep doing that until I have 10 strong nodes, and then we'll just kind of see what happens, right? And then at 10 strong nodes, I get a payout of 30, what is it called? Where's my calculator? There you go. At 10 strong, if you have 10 strong nodes, every month you get a payout of each node will pay you out 3 coins, right? $30. Oh, sorry, 30 coins. And at the price right now, times 458, I'm looking at a monthly payout of $13,700 for those 30 coins, right? Either that or I can create 3 new nodes every single month. But yeah, for the first month, super happy with the Strong node. Paid me out for $1,800. If the, what is it called? If the price didn't fall so much, it would have been closer to like let's say price was still at like 740, wherever it was, I think. Let's go at highs, right? At highs, it was like at 740. So 740 times 10.6, I would have had a payout of $7,800, which would have covered my like half, like 50% of my initial investment in the 3 nodes that I purchased, right? But so far, month in review, I think strong nodes are absolutely fantastic. I'm going to keep compounding until I have 10, and then start taking 1 month, take profit, 1 month, create nodes, 1 month, take profit, 1 month, take nodes, etc., right? As of right now, I am bullish again on Strong because of that dip and because of that entry. But again, I'm probably not going to be super bullish on Strong until 11 hours from now when the daily actually closes bullish, right? But yeah. Quick update. Just wanted to tell you guys what's been going on and that extra, node that I created. Also, going into gas fees, I had to pay, I think I paid like $100 to claim my rewards, right? So technically, if my profit was like 4,800, it actually went down to 4,700 because I actually had to pay the gas fee. So I claimed my rewards. I paid like $100 gas fee, like $90, right? And then I claimed it, and then when creating a new node, I had to pay gas fees all over again, which was like another $30 or so, right? So total, I actually had to pay like $130, to claim and then to create the new node, which kind of sucks because it digs into your profit. But because I made, $4,800, it wasn't all that bad. And then apart from that, I still have to maintain these 4 nodes every single month with the $15 fee, right? So every single month already, I'm paying $60 just to maintain these 4 nodes, right? And that's apart from gas fees. So I'm actually paying closer to around $100 total, gas fees included, with these four nodes. I'm paying around $100, like $150, just to maintain these per month, right? And if this doubles, you're paying somewhere around the line of $300 to $500 to maintain, 8 to 10 strong nodes. And that's what I'm gonna be looking at when I have my 10 strong nodes, right? I'm more than likely gonna have to be paying anywhere between $300 to $500 to maintain my nodes just on a monthly basis, right? Which is kind of shitty, but that's just how it is. But yeah, as of right now, Strong doing extremely well. My ideal range hopefully is between $400 to like a little bit under $800, and as long as it maintains that range, I will keep creating nodes. If it crosses over $800, and I will more than likely start taking profit, right? Because I'd be kind of dumb to not start taking profit when it goes over like $800, and I think that's my top price at least. For what is it called, for at least taking some money out, right, and covering my initial investment. But yeah, I just wanted to update you guys on Strong. I think it's fantastic. I know a lot of you guys picked up some Strong too, so that's super great. I hope it works out for all of us. I actually do really believe in the project long term. I think the developers and the team are fantastic. And I think as far as nodes go, or kind of DAO projects, I think Strong is definitely number one in the full list. Obviously, you have projects that have gone down a lot, like you have Time Wonderland, or you have Olympus that has dropped a little bit too. You have projects like Ring and Comet that have completely crashed. You have Klima that's also gone down a lot. And I think as far as strength and stability, which is actually what the core, the core, what is it called? Like the core, like the core thing that the development team for Strong wants to do. They want stability, right? And as of right now, Strong has been extremely stable. So I have to give it to the team for at least keeping it, a stable project, as long as, even when Bitcoin is dropping. Obviously you had that 46% drop or 38% drop that we have now. But Strong has been pretty consistent, right? It's been pretty stable-ish compared to other DAOs, other nodes, other projects. The only other one that I'm actually looking into right now is Thor. I want to make sure that Thor is not involved with Ring at all, because Ring nodes kind of, effed up and did a bunch of bad stuff. That is something that I'll release a video later on, but I am thinking about getting maybe a couple of Thor nodes, maybe one to test it out and stuff, but we'll see. That's like in the future, right? Either way, my 4th node officially created yesterday. I'll keep making weekly videos to kind of update you guys, and then also every time if the Strong team actually releases any good news, then I'll release that also. But I'll see you guys later. Have a great day. Just wanted to update everyone. Bye-bye.